So, you know how you go to the doctor for a physical every single year to make sure your health is in good standing, right? And I'm sure you probably even take your car to a mechanic for checkups and tune ups every now and then, too, correct? I mean, those things just make sense, don't they? Even if everything appears to be running well, there could still be a problem. You just might not be able to see it. And sometimes those are the worst, most dangerous kinds of problems you can have. That's why we take certain things to the pros so they can check for the issues we can't see. As a business owner or real estate professional, you should do the exact same thing with your books. Step inside my office for just a moment and I'll explain why. My name is Tawana Bryant Osborne, and I am an accountant and tax strategist and owner of Bryant Business Solutions, an international accounting and tax firm that specializes in sustainable financial solutions. I'm on a mission to help service based small business owners increase their net profits and reduce their tax liability so they can build long term wealth. Our job is to make sure that we're not putting you in a position that is going to raise red flags. These are things that typically, as a taxpayer, you're not studying to figure out, oh, okay, this is going to trigger an audit. Not that you can ever avoid an audit. None of us are 100% free of audits, okay? Let's get that understood now. By now, we all know the benefits of using QuickBooks and just how amazing the software is. But the truth is, it's only amazing if it's doing exactly what it's supposed to do. And there's only one way to make sure that's happening: a QuickBooks Diagnostic review. If you use QuickBooks, you're gonna want to watch this video all the way until the end. Today, I'm sharing 4 reasons you need a QuickBooks Diagnostic review. But before I get started, do me a quick favor and click that subscribe button and bell so you can be among the first to know what's new in tax planning and wealth building. Okay, now let the fun begin. First up, you should get a QuickBooks Diagnostic review simply because you need to know if there's any problems with your books. I mean, I don't mean to sound harsh, but as a business owner or a real estate professional, your books are your responsibility. Now you can assign that responsibility to someone else, but you have to make sure steps are being taken to ensure your books are in order. If there's a mistake or error somewhere, you need to know so either you or a pro can fix it. And a QuickBooks Diagnostic review will show you all the errors in your books. That's literally what it's for. It's a detailed, comprehensive report of all the problems and mistakes in your books. I'm talking about all the things you need to know: improper setup, double postings, unreconciled accounts, quote coding errors, chart of account problems, missing transactions, improperly categorized transactions, and the list goes on and on. These are the kind of things that you can't afford to be unaware of. They're also the kind of things that can help you make more informed decisions if you're aware of them. Yep, that's right. A QuickBooks Diagnostic review can actually provide you with the insights you need to make better moves for your organization. It goes without saying that the more you know about your finances, the better. The only problem is you don't know what you don't know. That's why a QuickBooks Diagnostic review is great. It detects problems you have no idea are even there. It highlights issues like poor cash flow management and helps identify ways for you to run your organization more efficiently and effectively so you can achieve your business's goals. It also ensures you comply with tax and other reporting requirements. That means a QuickBooks Diagnostic review can save you from having to pay tax fines and penalties. I've said it before, you can't afford to have any mistakes in your books. Inaccuracies in your books means inaccurate tax reporting and tax returns. And you know what that means. Coughing up money to the IRS. A quick diagnostic review can help you avoid just that. Once the mistakes are identified, your tax and accounting pro can give you recommendations on how to fix them. And lastly, a QuickBooks Diagnostic review can help you make sure that you're getting as much as you can out of the software. Depending on when your QuickBooks was set up and who set the software up for you, it may not be the latest version available, or you may not be using all of the features that are relevant to your industry. A diagnostic review can identify those areas for you and will help you ensure that you have the most up-to-date software out there. Now, in closing, there you have it. 4 reasons you need a QuickBooks Diagnostic review. It's simple. Pros can see issues that you can't. If you want a QuickBooks Diagnostic review for your business, click the link in the description box below to schedule a free 15-minute discovery call with me, and I'll see how I can help you. Okay, that's all I have for now. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment to let me know. I'll talk with y'all later.